Hi guys, Cat Country Club back, and today I will be showing you how to make Play-Doh. It's without cream of tartar or cookie. Okay, so what you'll need is I cut down my recipe. 2 cups of flour, half a cup of water. There's water in there, and a quarter of a cup of salt. Food coloring, any color will do. You can also mix colors, but I'm just going to be using blue. And I do not have the olive oil in this yet. Olive or canola oil, 1 tablespoon. Vegetable, not olive, vegetable oil. Okay, so you need 2 bowls as well. So first, you're going to pour the water into a bowl. And then you're going to add the food coloring. It doesn't matter how much. I want mine to be a dark blue, so I'm going to use quite a few. And then stir it. Sorry, I'm just going to get a spoon. 2 spoons. Okay, so and then you're going to add your tablespoon of vegetable oil. You're going to have to be careful. Add that to the same bowl. Doesn't matter if you mix it or not, but I usually don't. Okay, so that's all for that bowl. Just set it aside, and then take your other bowl. So what you're going to do for this bowl is I will add the dry ingredients. So your flour, your 2 cups of flour, and your 3/4 cup of salt. And then stir it. Stir them together so they're all mixed. And then I think I put them in the wrong bowls, but that's okay. So you're slowly going to add the mixture into the flour and salt mixture into the liquid mixture and stir it. You can add as much food coloring as you want if it's already starting to turn too light for you, but that's all I'm going to use. Once you have it all in, then you can mix it with your hands. Okay, so here is my mixture. Right now it looks very, very floury. You can add more water if you need to. That's what I'm going to do. Just a little bit more water. And if you want, you can add food coloring to the water. Sorry about that. And again.